Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your go-to destination for the latest in tech reviews and insights. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a device that has outdoor enthusiasts and tech fans buzzing with excitement. The wait is over. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is here. After months of speculation, leaks, and mounting anticipation, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro has finally arrived. The Fenix series has long been a benchmark for outdoor wearable technology, known for its rugged build, advanced features, and precision tracking capabilities. But does the Fenix 8 Pro truly live up to the hype? In this comprehensive review, we'll explore its new features, improvements, and whether it's worth the upgrade. From battery life to GPS accuracy and health monitoring, we'll put Garmin's latest flagship smartwatch to the ultimate test. Addressing past challenges. If you've ever owned a previous Garmin Fenix model, you might be familiar with some common pain points, including battery life limitations. Previous models often fell short of the promised battery longevity, leaving users frustrated during long hikes or ultra-endurance events. GPS accuracy concerns. Spotty GPS signals in dense forests or mountainous regions have been a persistent issue. Limited health monitoring. While earlier models offered basic tracking, they lagged behind competitors in terms of comprehensive health insights. With the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin has aimed to tackle these issues head-on, making significant strides to ensure a better user experience. What's new in the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro? Enhanced battery life. Battery life has been a major focus for Garmin with the Fenix 8 Pro. Garmin claims the watch can now last up to 14 days in smartwatch mode and an impressive 30 hours in GPS mode, thanks to improved power management and efficient processing. For endurance athletes and adventurers, this is a game changer. No more scrambling for a charger mid-expedition. Improved GPS performance. Garmin has introduced next-gen satellite technology, offering multi-band GPS that promises faster, more accurate tracking in challenging environments. Whether you're navigating dense urban settings or remote trails, the improved GPS is expected to provide faster lock-on times, improved accuracy in difficult terrains, better elevation tracking for climbers and hikers, advanced health monitoring. The Fenix 8 Pro takes health tracking to a whole new level, offering a suite of new and improved features, including blood oxygen monitoring, provides detailed SpO2 readings for altitude adaptation and sleep quality analysis, advanced sleep tracking, a more detailed breakdown of sleep stages, including deep, light, and REM sleep, HRV tracking, helping users monitor stress levels and recovery insights for optimal performance, skin temperature monitoring, a new feature that adds another layer of health data, useful for fitness enthusiasts and those monitoring overall wellness. Touchscreen interface. Perhaps the most exciting addition to the Fenix 8 Pro is its new touchscreen interface, a first for the Fenix series. This feature brings faster navigation through menus, easier interaction during workouts, smooth swiping functionality for maps and notifications. No more fiddling with buttons in challenging conditions. The touchscreen makes it significantly easier to access key features on the go. Expanded storage and connectivity. The Fenix 8 Pro now offers double the storage capacity compared to previous models, allowing users to store more. Offline maps, music, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc., training plans and workout data. Additionally, Garmin has improved its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring seamless syncing with your smartphone or other devices. 6. Improved build quality and design. Garmin maintains its rugged design ethos with the Fenix 8 Pro, featuring sapphire crystal display for superior scratch resistance, titanium bezel for lightweight durability, 50-meter water resistance, making it perfect for swimmers and divers. The device is also lighter than its predecessor, enhancing comfort for all-day wear. Real-world testing. Does it deliver? We've put the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro through a series of rigorous tests, including trail running, tracking distance, elevation gain, and heart rate accuracy. Cycling, assessing GPS accuracy in dense forest trails. Swimming, testing underwater heart rate monitoring and stroke count precision. Sleep tracking, comparing insights with dedicated sleep monitors. The results? Garmin has certainly delivered on its promises, with exceptionally precise GPS tracking, even in challenging environments. Noticeably longer battery life, with real-world usage supporting Garmin's claims. A user-friendly touchscreen, making everyday interactions more intuitive. Is the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro worth it? If you're an outdoor enthusiast, athlete, or someone who values top-tier wearable tech, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is worth considering. Its combination of enhanced performance, longer battery life, and new health features make it one of the most compelling fitness watches available today. However, if you're upgrading from a recent Fenix model, you may want to weigh whether features like the touchscreen and improved storage justify the price. Final thoughts. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro has raised the bar for what an outdoor smartwatch can be. It combines cutting-edge technology with a rugged user-friendly design that will satisfy even the most demanding users. What do you think about the new Garmin Fenix 8 Pro? Are you planning to upgrade? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other tech reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest gadgets and gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming full review of the Fenix 8 Pro in action.